stop. Take a deep breath. You are standing 24 hours away from the most respected credential in your career. You've read the books, you've done the mock exams, and your head is spinning with formulas and IDOs. But here's the secret. The PMP exam isn't a test of your memory. It's a test of your judgment. In exam centers around the world, the biggest complaint isn't that the questions were hard. It's that they were confusing. Candidates say two answers looked exactly the same, or they would never do that in real life. That ends now. This course is your final mental reset. We aren't just reviewing definitions, we are installing the PMI mindset. In the next few minutes, we are going to strip away the jargon and focus on the 3 unique words for every concept that unlock the correct answer every single time. This is about clarity, not confusion. Over this series, we will fly through the 49 processes, the core definitions from the PMBOK and other books, and the inputs and outputs that actually matter. I will show you exactly what the exam is trying to trick you with, based on the latest feedback from successful candidates who walked out victorious. Let's talk about what makes this exam different. It's not about reciting process names or memorizing charts. It's about understanding the philosophy behind project management. PMI wants to see if you think like a leader, not just a manager who follows rules blindly. When you see a question with multiple reasonable answers, the exam is testing your ability to prioritize. Which action comes first? Which stakeholder matters most in this scenario? Which document should you consult before making a decision? These are judgment calls, and they follow patterns. The patterns are what we're going to master together. Every process has a purpose. Every input has a reason. Every output leads somewhere specific. When you understand the why behind the what, the answers become obvious. The confusion disappears and confidence takes its place. Think about the agile questions you'll face. They're not asking if you memorize the Scrum Guide. They're asking if you understand servant leadership, iterative delivery, and stakeholder collaboration. The mindset is different from predictive approaches, and the exam knows it. You need to switch gears mentally. Consider the situational questions that trip people up. You're given a scenario where the sponsor wants one thing, the team suggests another, and the customer expects something else entirely. What do you do first? The answer isn't in a formula. It's in understanding PMI's hierarchy of values and communication principles. Here's what successful candidates report. Once they stopped trying to memorize everything and started thinking in frameworks, the exam became manageable. They could eliminate wrong answers quickly. They could spot the PMI-approved response even when their real-world experience suggested something different. That's the shift we're making today. We're going to build your mental toolkit with precision. For each major concept, you'll learn the 3 unique words that define it. These words are your anchors. When you see them in a question, you'll know exactly which process, tool, or technique is being tested. No more guessing between similar options. You aren't just passing a test tomorrow. You are proving you are a leader. You're demonstrating that you understand how to guide teams, manage stakeholders, deliver value, and navigate complexity with confidence. This credential represents your commitment to excellence in project management, and you've earned the right to claim it. Let's get into it.